What if I told you robots like Grace are already changing the way we live, supporting our health, providing education, and even showing empathy? Stick around, because today we're diving into how some of the world's most advanced robots are transforming healthcare, daily life, and even art in ways you won't believe. Let's jump into it. First up, let's meet Grace, the world's most advanced humanoid healthcare robot. Grace isn't just another machine. She's built to recognize emotions, respond with empathy, and speak over 100 languages. Imagine a robot nurse who can understand how you feel, help the elderly, and assist in any healthcare setting, from hospitals to home care. Developed by Robotics and Singularity Net, Grace has been described as the foremost nursing assistant robot by the UN Telecommunications Agency. With her, we're looking at a future where robots aren't just tools, they're true companions in healthcare. Would you trust a robot to take care of you or your loved ones? Let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about someone who's already a global superstar, Sophia. Built by the same company as Grace, Robotics, Sophia is the first robot to serve as the United Nations Development Programme's Innovation Ambassador. You might have even seen her on The Tonight Show or Good Morning Britain. What makes Sophia special isn't just her ability to hold a conversation. It's her role as a symbol of AI's potential. Sophia shows us a future where AI could bridge gaps in education, healthcare, and even diplomacy. She's not just science fiction anymore. She's science fact. Next, meet Ameca, a robot that's all about blending in. Developed by Engineered Arts, Ameca has been designed with a human form and a neutral, non-threatening appearance to make collaboration with humans as seamless as possible. But it's not just about how Ameca looks. This robot's AI and advanced motion technology make it capable of helping humans in sustainable communities. From assisting with daily tasks to potentially serving in disaster relief, Ameca represents the future of human-robot collaboration. Robots aren't just focused on personal tasks. Some are being designed to tackle the biggest challenges facing our planet. Disaster assistance robots are already transforming emergency response, helping people during floods, earthquakes, and other crises. Others are revolutionizing food production, working to reduce waste and increase sustainability. And in a world where cities are getting larger and more complex, robots could help shape greener, safer urban environments. With efficient construction robots, we might even see a future where everyone has access to sustainable, affordable housing. Robots are even making waves in culture. You've got Ida, the first ultra-realistic robot artist who's breaking boundaries in the art world. And then there's Desdemona, the rock star robot from the Jam Galaxy band. These aren't just machines, they're creators. It's fascinating to think about a future where robots are not only solving problems, but also enriching our lives with creativity and culture. So whether it's supporting healthcare, tackling global challenges, or even making art, robots are already changing our world in ways we could have only imagined. And we're just getting started. If you're excited about this future of AI and robotics, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech and innovation.